Now if you want to design something in real life, let's say you want to draw a painting. So the first thing you need is a paper or a canvas. So similarly in Figma we need a canvas for our designs. Now this canvas is called as frames. So if you want to set a frame for your designs, you can just click right here on frame, or you can just hit the F key on your keyboard. So I'll just hit the F key on my keyboard. Now on the right side you can see various frames have shown up. Now these are the default dimensions for various frames. You can see for the phone there's iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now these are the dimensions of the screen of iPhone. Similarly, if you want for desktop, you can see these are the default frame dimensions for desktop. So now I'll just select this desktop option and a frame has shown up. So now before we start creating anything, there are few commands and keys I would like you to know. So the first thing is the zoom in and zoom out command. So here's the desktop frame, and if I want to zoom out from this, all I have to do is hold the control key and scroll down on my mouse. So here you can see we are zooming out from this. And similarly, if you want to zoom in, you can just hold the control key again and up scroll your mouse. Now the control key is for the Windows user. If you have an Apple device, then I guess there will be the command key instead of the control key. So the functions are similar, only the control and command key is different. Now the next command is the hand tool. Now let's say I want to drag this thing and keep it on the left side. So for this, all you have to do is hold the space button on your keyboard, and now you can see the cursor has turned to a hand icon. And using the mouse, you can just simply click and drag this thing anywhere you want. So I'll just drag this on the left side. So this is how you can drag various elements. So these two are very important, the hand tool and the zoom in zoom out command. Now they might look insignificant, but while you are designing, there are various elements in the frame or outside the frame. So the drag tool and the zoom in zoom out part comes in very handy. So just remember that. If you want to zoom in and zoom out, you have to hold the control key or the command key for Apple users and just scroll your mouse button up or down. And for the hand tool, you need to hold your space button and just drag your frame or various elements of your Figma file anywhere you want. So that's all for the introduction session. In the next session, we will be learning various more features of Figma. So that's all. Thank you.